Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this month, I let you know that Windows is now officially using AI to find and fix vulnerabilities, where Microsoft said it's now deploying a system called M- across Windows to discover issues earlier and draft fixes faster. I'll leave the video linked if you want more information. And because Microsoft is now using AI to find and fix vulnerabilities, as I posted last week, with the July 2026 Patch Tuesday security update that rolled out for Windows 11, which is KB 5101650. The July 2026 Patch Tuesday fixes a record-breaking 570 security vulnerabilities. Now, that's just not on Windows 11. That's across Windows 10, Windows 11, Office, and all the different Microsoft products and services. But that was a record-breaking number of vulnerabilities due to AI that was patched. I'll leave that video linked as well if you'd like some more information. Now, it does seem that the project behind all of this is a platform called Project Perception that will help detect and repair software vulnerabilities, as mentioned, using multiple artificial intelligence models, where apparently Project Perception combines AI models developed by Microsoft, OpenAI, and Anthropic, and the platform uses a model router to select the most suitable model for each cybersecurity task. One model, as an example, might perform better at reviewing source code, while another could identify unusual behavior or suggest fixes for discovered vulnerabilities, which gives broader vulnerability coverage than a system built around a single model. So that's how this Project Perception is working. Now, the project is being led by Microsoft's security chief, who has reportedly been reorganizing Microsoft's security division around products that use artificial intelligence to identify threats, like we saw with this month's Patch Tuesday, investigate incidents, and repair software weaknesses. But a downside of this Project Perception could mean that a capable model could discover exploitable software flaws before developers release patches. So that means attackers then could misuse the same technology to locate weaknesses in deployed apps, cloud services, or infrastructure. But that's going to be an interesting one to watch in how this actually moves forward. So as previously posted, check the video out. Microsoft has expanded its AI security work through M-. So basically the two systems share technology or operate as parts of the same broader security strategy. Read the fact that we had so many vulnerabilities discovered for this month's Patch Tuesday Windows update. Now, at this stage, at the time of posting, as far as I'm aware, Microsoft hasn't publicly announced Project Perception, but thought this was interesting. And it's going to be interesting to see in the coming months if we are going to have more record-breaking vulnerabilities found and patched, or if it's going to start, subsiding and get into a so-called norm, which is going to be equaling out. But nonetheless, I'll keep my ear close to the ground and just wanted to keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.